Hey there, welcome to today's video. So, we're diving into a problem that many developers might encounter when working with socket programming. The problem we're tackling today involves the behavior of the select function in a certain scenario. Picture this. You're checking the availability of write on some sockets using select, and sometimes the set you're checking could be empty. Now, the question arises, if the set is empty, should select return immediately, or should it wait around doing nothing? Let's find out. Now, on to the solution. Yes, in this case, it is actually the correct behavior of the select function to wait when the set provided is empty. According to POSIX standards, select blocks until the specified condition is true for at least one of the file descriptors. Since an empty set will never fulfill this condition, the function will wait until the timeout or until interrupted by a signal. An empty set essentially acts like passing a null pointer for that set, making the function wait as specified. In summary, when dealing with an empty set in the select function, the program hanging is the expected behavior as per POSIX standards. The function will wait until the timeout or a signal, even if the set provided is empty. And there you have it. We've unraveled a mystery behind this behavior. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!